Evoluto has introduced a Restomod based on the Ferrari F355, with production limited to 55 examples. Each car starts with a donor F355 and receives a comprehensive redesign and engineering update. The standard version retains a naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V8 that revs to 8,500 revolutions per minute and produces 414 horsepower with 295 pound-feet of torque. Evoluto says more than 200 engine components are replaced, including bespoke camshafts, ported cylinder heads, and a new equal-length stainless steel exhaust system. An optional 3.7-liter engine increases output to 473 horsepower at 9,000 revolutions per minute and 332 pound-feet of torque. Every body panel is new and made from carbon fiber, while the car also features a 25mm lower ride height, wider front and rear tracks, larger side intakes, and optional 19-inch magnesium alloy wheels.